Hello, everyone. The next product that I want to introduce to you is something that I use at least maybe once, sometimes two times per week, just to kind of almost like exercise my skin, exercise my muscles so that they can remain plump or, kind of gives you that kind of a lifting kind of a feeling as well. It's very refreshing to use these two products. So let's go into it now. Okay, so once you go into masamikavi.com and go to store and scroll down, we're going to be talking about this one. All right. This is something that really is helpful in terms of exercising your skin and your tissue. And you can read about this. I have used similar products like this in the past, actually, two other products in the past 20 plus years or so, but they just didn't do a whole lot for me. I try to use it diligently, but I didn't see a whole lot of change until I tried the Truth Treatment kind one. And so you'll be able to see how to use it, and that's already included in here. But I just wanted to show you what I do often around my eyes. And then this can be very helpful for kind of exercising and toning around the chin and the cheeks so the cheeks can kind of plump up and lift up. So it's just as we get older, the gravity's pulling, but also hormonal changes can cause our skin to sag. So that's part of life, yes. But I also like to do what I can to exercise and protect that from completely taking over my skin. So that's why I do some work around this. And when you order this machine, it'll come with this super amazing. I think this is the most amazing thing to use with this machine, but it comes with Electroderm, which is kind of a gel-like form that has, you can kind of see what's all in here, but fantastic. You don't have to wash your face afterwards either. I would start with a clean face and put this on, and then you can put on your other skincare products on top of it as well. But oftentimes when you are using these things, they come with kind of a petroleum-based things that you have to actually wash your face afterwards. But with the Electroderm products that you pump onto the skin and work on it, you don't have to wash your face afterwards. Okay, so let me stop the share and show you. So I have a bigger pump of this. The one that will come with will be probably about 1/3 of this size. Okay, so I got kind of two pumps, not a huge amount. I hope you can kind of see, but not a huge amount. Okay, so why don't I, for the ease of doing this, I'm just lightly putting it on to this region of my face. And they have two settings. So you turn it on right at the bottom. You have a P1 setting 1 and then the setting 2. You change that setting by pushing the mode, which is at the top right there. So you can push that and you can change your mode. You can start with the mode 1, P1, because it's very, very gentle. Okay. And then if I use the mode 2, you may actually even see it on my face. I'm going to set it to 3. Okay. And you don't have to start that at that level. Okay. So I would slowly move up from a P1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes up to 4. And then you can maybe graduate to the P2, which is the mode 2, and you can move up. Okay. And then you're just slowly moving this up. And you may not see it, but my skin is kind of slightly jumping, but very, 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 very small amount. You kind of see it around my eyes. And it brings blood flow back into this region, awakens the tissues. It penetrates into deeper layers. So it's not just exercising your skin from superficial level. And I usually go up this way because I want to have the lifted kind of a cheek feelings, right? And I normally do this around maybe about 15 to 20 strokes. I just do it kind of slowly. I don't overdo it, it doesn't need to go nuts here. Just something that awakens my skin. You can do this before you have an event or you have a family get together, you're meeting a friend, or you could just do it at nighttime, maybe watching a Netflix show or something like that. You can sit there and then exercise some of your skin and the tissues under it. Kind of see that my cheeks are getting a little bit like there's a color coming back to it. Okay. And then you can also kind of run it like this, right at the cheekbones. I just do it slowly. I think slower the better. This is the side that tends to kind of have a pulling down feeling for me because, nobody has the right side and left side equally, right? So, and then I just do this lower part to lift those skin and the muscles up. Okay, so I did it with the mode 2, that's the P2, around 3. But I would slowly move up to that. Okay. And I think you could see the difference. I certainly can, that the cheeks have, this side of the cheek has lifted and it's a little bit more like a blood is flowing through it. Definition is coming back there. So, life will pull your skin down, and we all need to not just exercise our legs and our biceps and things like that, but the face could use some help too there. So, use it for that. That's what this is for. Okay. I hope this was helpful.